The DJI Osmo Action series has firmly established itself as one of GoPro's biggest rivals, and all eyes are now turning toward the horizon for the upcoming DJI Action 7. While DJI hasn't officially unveiled the camera yet, insider leaks and industry reports suggest this next-generation powerhouse could arrive before the end of September or October 2026. Rather than a total redesign, DJI is focusing on meaningful, high-performance upgrades tailored specifically for vloggers, travelers, cyclists, and professional content creators who demand top-tier image quality in a rugged, compact body. The single biggest hardware improvement rumor for the Action 7 is the camera sensor. Reports indicate that DJI is upgrading from its previous sensor size to a larger 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensor. What does this mean for your footage? More light capture, significantly brighter and clearer low-light performance, enhanced dynamic range, cleaner shadows, and more natural, vibrant color rendering, stunning golden hours, sunsets, sunrises, and nighttime urban shoots look dramatically sharper and richer. When paired with DJI's advanced image processing software, the Action 7 is shaping up to be a dominant force in low-light action videography. Video capabilities are getting a massive generational leap forward. 8K recording. Leaks point to native 8K video recording at up to 60 frames per second. High-speed 4K. High frame rate 4K recording options for silky smooth slow-motion sequences. Color profiles. Continued support for 10-bit D-Log color and HLG recording for professional grading flexibility. Next-gen AI stabilization. Building on top of trusted features like Horizon Steady and Rock Steady, DJI is introducing an upgraded AI-powered stabilization system that effortlessly smooths out footage during extreme activities like mountain biking, skiing, running, or heavy handheld panning. Battery optimization has always been a key strength for DJI, and the Action 7 continues that momentum with a more efficient internal processor and intelligent power management for extended recording durations. Fast charging support ensures you spend less time waiting and more time capturing your adventures. Physically, the camera retains the fan-favorite design elements users love. Dual touchscreens for easy framing from any angle. Magnetic quick-release mounting system for lightning-fast setup changes. Rugged, waterproof construction built to withstand harsh environments. Seamless compatibility with DJI's expanding ecosystem of wireless microphones and mounting accessories. AI plays a vastly expanded role inside the Action 7. Leaks indicate that users can expect improved subject tracking to keep you locked in a frame, smarter automatic exposure adjustments when moving rapidly between bright sunlight and dark shadows, enhanced noise reduction, and faster autofocus speeds. These intelligent shooting modes make it easier than ever for casual users and vloggers to pull professional-grade content straight out of the camera without endless tweaking. True to form, DJI is keeping its pricing aggressive to undercut competing flagships. Standard combo, expected to land between $349 and $429. Premium bundles. Adventure packages including extra batteries, specialized mounts, and accessories are projected to reach around $579. Following historical launch patterns, industry observers expect DJI to officially announce and launch the Osmo Action 7 globally in September or October 2026.